Hello guys, my name is Laurent from Silver Bull Gear. A short video about the changes I made on the Condor Rodin knife. Actually, I customized this knife. So on the knife, I made changes only on the handle of the knife. You can see these curves here. I made it. It was straight before, and now this knife has a good grip, and I really like this change that I made. Okay, so let's see on the sheath. I added nylon strips and a leather pouch with Velcro, and place for fire steel, and added my logo. So now this is a horizontal carry pouch. Before when I made the changes, it was a vertical carry pouch. So this is the change that I made to this knife. I hope that you like.